Now, we've all made a chicken sandwich, but this is my go-to at the moment. What makes it so special is the addition of black bean sauce, and I'm going to add that to my mayonnaise. So in a bowl, I'll add some whole egg mayonnaise. Just store-bought is fine for this. And the black bean sauce, it has a really nice savoury, salty flavour to it. It's made up of salted black beans and fermented soybeans. So we just need a small amount of this because a small amount goes a long way. So just a few drops of that into the bowl. This one's fantastic too because it has no MSG or preservatives in it. So we'll give that a really good mix. And this can go straight in with our chicken. And a good chicken sandwich needs lots of mayonnaise. So coat all of that cooked chook in the mayonnaise. And now we can assemble our sandwich. So I like a crusty baguette for this. I'm just gonna cut a centre piece out. Cut that in half, straight down the centre. And what makes a really good chicken sandwich is the chicken being coated in loads of mayonnaise. So you can see I added a generous amount of that black bean sauce there with the mayonnaise. So we'll just pile it up. Spread that all the way to the sides. And I like the addition of something a little sweet. So some crunchy sweet carrot on top. Some spring onions. And some cucumber. Squish that together. Now yes, it's just a chicken sandwich, but is it really? That addition of black bean sauce makes it super special. So next time you're making a chicken sandwich for lunch, why not add a little bit of black bean sauce? I promise you, it really is very delicious.